What's up guys, this is your man GidK once again. In today's video, I'm going to take a look at the ZSYB LED light. Yes, I just got my hands on it recently and I'm going to show you what is inside this box and most importantly, how this light performs on a real shoot. Yes, so stay tuned to see how this goes. Let's see what comes with this ZSYB video light. So join me, let's open the box. Yeah. Going for 9. Then make sure we cut here. Okay. Yes. So pardon me for my sound. Yes, I'm using my phone to record, so it gets difficult sometimes. Yeah, so this is what is written on it. Yes, ZSYB LED lights. Yeah. So this is what is inside the box. Firstly, if you open it for the first time, you get a manual on how to use this light. Yes, it contains all the regulations and the right way to use it, and also the specs and all that. Yes. But after that, I'm going to give you my own review of how this light is. So let's take this somewhere else. Funny thing is, most of the times we don't even read this thing. Yes, because before we purchase a gadget, you might have seen most videos and lots of videos or most review videos online. Yeah. So this is what comes in the box. You get a cable to connect your lights. Yes, and I'm sure this is pretty long. I mean, it's quite long, not like some other lights. And also you get a remote control. Yes, so you don't have to move to the light from time to time. So you get a remote. So let me put the remote here, the cable here, and finally the actual light. Let me carefully erase this. Yes. So the packaging is very nice. So let's take this out. Yes, this is the ZSYB 300W light. Amazing thing is it's a bi-light. It's a bi-color. Let me put it that way. So it gives you the cool temperature and also the warm temperature. Yes. One thing that amazes me is they add a reflective cone to your package. Yes, and this is also a bonus mount, so you can attach it to any kind of bonus mount modifier you have lying down. Yes, so being it a softbox, a reflector, you are good to go. And I must say the build quality feels very strong. Yes. The base for the stand and all that is of metal. I can say it's pretty neat. Looking at the price and for the quality, yes, it's worth it. So these are the regulators at the back. This is the switch button. Yeah. So this is for the brightness. This is for the temperature. Yes. So let me put this to a test and then you see how it works. We are going to turn this back for you. But firstly, let me take off this. So stay tuned to see how we bring this to life. Alright, so I'm going to put the light on this stand. And another thing that I like about this light is it has a lot of vents. It has a lot of vents down here, so the light doesn't get overheated. Yes, it has a lot of vents all around, which means you can use it for long hours without it heating up. Yes. Alright, so after mounting it on your stand, let me go in for the cable. Yes. Put this back into the box. Okay. So you see how long the cable is. Let's look at this. Very, very long. Yes. So we are going to put this in here. So let me turn it this way for you to see. Yes. We are going to put this cable here. Make sure it goes in deep. Yes. And then you plug this to your outlet. Yeah. So after plugging it, this light is on 5%. Yes. So I'm going to take out the remote. Yeah. So like I said, this is how the remote is. Very, very nice. Yeah. So this one just 5%. So let's increase the brightness. You can see how bright this looks like. And this is just 58%. So let me take it to 100. You can see how bright it is. And it produces a lot of heat. Yes. For a 300 watts, you can tell that it's very, very high. So I'm going to take this to about 20%. So let me show it. I'm sure the camera will get blind. Yes. So let me rotate it here. So I think this will be the best. So like I said, this it's a bi-color, so you can choose to go for the warm, yes, or the cool, or you can reduce it to your own customized, or let me say custom Kelvin. Yes. So you can move to 5200 Kelvin, move to 3500 Kelvin. Yes. So this is how it looks like. Yes. And then this 20%, or this 20%. So what would be my final take for such a light? It's very, very bright. I'm not gonna lie. It's even producing heat in the room as I talk. Yes, but it's very, very bright. So one thing, let me turn this off first. Yes, so the remote can be used to turn on and turn off. Yes. So I'm going to give my honest review about this light. It's very, very strong, and one thing I like about this light is you can use this as your hair lights or backlights. Yes, because of the warm temperature it has. Yes, you can use it to eliminate your background. I'll be putting this light to test in my future videos, and I'm going to show you how you are going to make very much use of it. Yes, and for the price, like I said, it's very, very, it's worth it. Let me put it that way. Yes. So if you're in Ghana, if you're in Accra here, I'm going to put out the seller's contacts in the description below. And also, if ZSYB is watching this video right now, yes, there's not a promo video for them, but if they're looking out to collaborate, I'm down for it. Yes, we can reach out to each other and then we fix something. Yes, I'm down to collaborate with ZSYB because I love their lights. Yes, it's very, very good. I mean, look at the build quality. Just have a look. Very, very nice. Yes. So guys, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll catch you up on another educative video like we did today. Peace out.